Number 9, EGR delete, pros, cons. I don't know why this keeps coming up. Like, this is just, there's no way around it. People are obsessed with EGR deletes. It's all over the internet. It's overwhelmed Google's search engine, obviously, but they're not legal. We're not going to recommend them. Hopefully someday, working with your local representatives, you can work with the local level, work your way up to the state level, which could work up to the federal level. Maybe someday we don't have to pump farts back into our engines. That makes no sense. It's never going to work. It's always going to cause problems. I absolutely hate EGR, but until it's legal to get rid of it, just get a bulletproof diesel EGR cooler.